Hello, welcome again. We are solving elementary mathematics paper of year 2023 of CDS exam 2. Question number 67 is three classes P, Q and R have capacities in the ratio 1 ratio 2 ratio 3. All these glasses are completely filled with mixtures of milk and water. The ratio of milk to water in P is 1 ratio 2 and in Q it is 2 ratio 3 and in R it is 3 ratio 1. If the content of all three glasses are put into a bigger container, what will be the ratio of milk to water in the container? Option A 203 ratio 117, option B 203 ratio 157, option C 172 ratio 91 and option D 165 ratio 88. So as the P, Q and R have the capacity ratio as 1 ratio 2 ratio 3. If X is the capacity of the P, then 2X will be the capacity of Q and 3X will be the capacity of R. Total mixture is your 3X, oh sorry 6X, summation of 6X. Okay, so now in P the ratio of milk to water is 1 ratio 2. Suppose y1 is the common ratio, then y1 will be the milk quantity and 2y1 will be the water quantity. So total mixture is y1 plus 2y1, that is equal to x. Or we can say 3y1 is equal to x or y1 is equal to x plus 2. Similarly, in Q, the ratio of milk to water is 2 ratio 3. So it is 2. Now we'll take y2 for Q. So 2y2 will be the milk quantity and 3y2 will be the water quantity. That will be equal to 2x total mixture. Or 5y2 will be equal to 2x and y2 will be equal to 2x by 5. Similarly, for container R, the ratio of milk to water is 3 ratio 1. We'll take y3. So 3y3 plus y3, 3 by 3 is milk quantity and y3 is your water quantity is your total mixture, that is equal to 3x. So 4y3 is equal to 3x and y3 is equal to 3x by 4. So y1 is x by 3, y2 is 2x by 3 and y3 is your 3x by 4. Now we'll take the final quantity of milk and water, final ratio. So from P we have got y1 of milk, and from Q we have got 2y2 of milk, and from R we have got 3y3 of milk. Okay. And this is the total milk quantity, and from P we have got 2y1 of water, and from Q we have got 3y2 of water, and from R we have got y3 of water. So this is the ratio of milk to water. So now we can put the y1, y2 and y3 in terms of x. So after putting, we'll get this equation. y1 here, y1 is there, y1 is equal to x by 3, y2 is 2x by 5 and y3 is 3x by 4. So putting here, we'll get this equation, x by 3 plus 4x by 5 plus 9x by 4. And here also putting y1, y2, y3 will get this equation. Okay, now LCM is same for numerator and denominator. So we can cancel out x and write this equation as 5 into 4 20 and 4 into 3 into 4 48 and 5 into 3 into 9 135, and here 5 into 4 into 2 40, and here 3 into 4 into 6 72, and here 5 into 3 into 3 45. So it will be 203 by 157. Answer is option B.